Imagine a world where your dream team is lining up to apply for your job and your business can hire fast enough to sustain its growth. In this video, I'll show you how to achieve that. In a recent message found on Facebook group, someone asked, "How is everyone hiring? My company is swamped with work and I need to hire multiple people, but I'm having trouble even getting applicants on Indeed, let alone quality workers. I've tried Facebook too. I have good benefits and competitive pay. Any input would be fantastic." Several things could be happening here, but I can almost guarantee you that his job description is bland and doesn't stand out. It's probably the whole generic, I'm looking for my mechanical company, must have so and so experience, we are the leaders, blah blah blah. And the benefits are probably the usual days off, maybe healthcare. First, days off are a legal requirement, not a benefit. And healthcare, great, but if all your competitors are offering it too, how are you standing out? If he started his job description with his company culture, emphasizing what an awesome company it is to work for, and included benefits that reflected the company culture, he would have people lining up. He would have his dream team lining up. For example, our company culture is all about travel, freedom, and adventure. You can work from anywhere in the world. The very first sentence of our job description is, "At Scaling Up Simplified, we're all about living and breathing travel, adventure, freedom, and flexibility." It's the beating heart of our company, driving everything that we do. I go in depth about our passion for travel and how our benefits align with our company culture, like offering a co-working space allowance anywhere in the world. When you center your job description around your company culture, you naturally attract your tribe. Your job description stands out and communicates to the right personalities. If you're struggling to get applicants, the first place to look is your job description. If your job description is boring and no effort is put into making it stand out, the applicants will reflect that lack of effort. The second issue is the common mistake of not preparing your business for hiring. Don't make the mistake of waiting until your business is desperate for people to start the hiring process. Have a hiring system in place that is always ready to bring in new culturally aligned people. Many business owners don't prepare their businesses for hiring. They panic hire when things get overwhelming instead of doing the groundwork to ensure their business is always ready for growth and building their team. Having a hiring system in place, working in the background, and ready to hire at any time can sustain growth and effortlessly expand your team as your business grows.